Yes, good evening children. Now, today I am going to explain you the poem Keeping Quiet. So let us start stanza number 1. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still. For once on the face of the earth, let's not speak in any language. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. So this is the first stanza of this poem, and now let me explain you the stanza. The poet is asking everyone to count till 12 and keep still. He encourages us to forget our regional or national identities by not speaking in any language. His intention is to remove all cultural, social, and linguistic boundaries between us. He wants everyone to be still for a while and not make any movements. He wants people to relax and cease all movements. Okay? Then now the next stanza. It would be an exotic moment without rush, without engines. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. In this second stanza, the poet says that it would be a unique moment, a feeling so different from all the other experiences we have ever had. The machines that run our lives, as well as the world, coming to a standstill. Everything would come together in this strange moment. It would be a sudden moment of inactivity, which the world has not often seen. Now let me read the third stanza. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales, and the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. These lines voice a future, a probability that the poet sees in this unique moment of peace and introspection. Humans would be overcome with a feeling of brotherhood and oneness with nature, and all the beings, they would feel that they are in a mood of introspection. We would not, we means the human beings, they will not kill the whales, and the world will be in a different situation this time. Everybody will respect life. We would also stop and take notice of the harm that we cause to ours, at the same time to others. And the man collecting salt would take a moment and introspect. He would take a pause to realize his own pain and suffering. So in this way, he says that fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales. Why he is referring to whales? Because whales are an animal, those who have come to the verge of extinction. Because of continuously killing of whales, they are at the verge of extinction. So the poet is referring to whales. So he says that no worldly activity will take place, and it will be a time of total introspection, complete introspection, when man will introspect and he will do nothing else. Simply he will come to know that what are the factors that he is suffering, that make him suffer. Okay, then Stanza number 4. Those who prepare green wars with gas, wars with fire, victory with no survivors, would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers in the shade doing nothing. The poet goes on to say that people who wage a war on the planet itself by destroying nature, they would adopt another way of life. They would give up their assault on the planet, which uses poisonous gases and blast Earth with nuclear and other weapons. They would end this war where they themselves lose and stop the exploitation of nature for their selfish reasons. Ironically, no one wins in this situation. The poet thinks that such people too would then introspect and start a new beginning. They would put on clean clothes and start over. They would walk together in peace, in hand, and love towards nature. In this way, he wants to say that it will be a time when people will change their mindset and they will start new thinking and they will think that how they can help the nature, how they can preserve their nature. So in this way, this is the explanation of this poem. Okay, now we'll continue in the next meeting. Thank you very much.